This was a huge event for us. This was the first time that our graduates had the opportunity to sit for the bar exam, the first time they had the opportunity to get licensed in Indiana, and this was really a proof of concept that online law school graduates can do just as well, if not better, than traditional law school grads on the Indiana bar. Indiana allowing our graduates to sit for its bar exam benefits not just our graduates, but those that they would come to serve. Indiana, like virtually every state, has an access to justice problem, especially in rural and other underserved areas. I've long believed that the best way to get more lawyers into underserved areas is to make it easier for people who already live in those areas to remain there while they go to law school by going online. And this is a first step in the ability to prove that that's true. It was very special to be a part of this ceremony, to see our graduates standing up there shoulder to shoulder with graduates of traditional law schools, taking that same oath in the presence of the justices of the Supreme Court and the other leaders of the Indiana bench and bar. It was very special and meaningful. At Purdue Global, our mission since our inception has been to make high-quality legal education affordable and accessible. And I've long believed that if jurisdictions would just give our graduates the opportunity to show that they can pass, they would do so. They just wanted to be able to sit for the bar exam like graduates of traditional schools. We weren't asking for any special favoritism or being waved in. We were finally allowed to sit, and all of our graduates passed. We've had 3 enrollment cycles since the Indiana Supreme Court changed its rule last July. In the first one, we had 11 new Indiana students. In the second one, we had 20. And in this most recent one, we had 31. So we're growing, and I believe we're going to continue to grow in Indiana. What's next is we expect to have more of our graduates sit for Indiana's bar in the future. We expect to continue to have good bar pass rates, and we hope that there will be licensure opportunities in even more states. We hope that other states will follow the lead of states like Indiana and now Connecticut and let our graduates sit, and I believe if they're given the chance, they'll pass just like they did in Indiana. One of the noteworthy things is that the students that we're enrolling in Indiana, they're not just coming from Indianapolis. They're coming from rural areas, they're coming from small towns, they're coming from underserved areas that don't have access to law school and often don't have access to lawyers. So when these students start graduating in the next few years, we hope and expect that we really will see Purdue Global Law School making a big dent in the state's access to justice crisis.